Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you the secret skills that all rich people have in common that makes them rich. Check every rich people you know, they all have these skills in common. And if you don't want to be poor, you too need to acquire these skills. Do yourself a favor by watching the video to the end. Let's go. Skill number 1, accounting. Accounting is the ability to read numbers. Every rich people I have met or that I know have these skills. If you want to build an empire, this skill is very vital. This skill allows you to identify the strengths and weaknesses of any business. With these skills, you can account for every single penny that goes in and out of your business. Skill number 2, investing. Investing is the science of making money. That is, you make money by using money. So how do you do that? It is very simple. You simply do business. People like Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, and Robert T. Kiyosaki are master in investing. Skill number 3, understanding market. Understanding market is the science of supply and demand. You need to know the technical aspects of the market, which are emotion driven, in addition to the fundamental or economic aspect of an investment. Does an investment make sense or it does not make sense based on the current market condition? Skill number 4, the law. If you really want to be rich, you need to know and understand the laws that backs up your business, or else the poor will feed on you. A corporation wrapped around the technical skill of accounting, investing, and market can contribute to explosive growth. A person who understands the tax advantage and protection provided by a corporation can get through so much faster than someone who is an employee in a small business or sole proprietor. These are 4 basic skills that everyone who wants to be rich must acquire. If you want me to do a video on how to use corporation to protect your wealth, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share.